Hi kids, good morning everyone. How are you all today? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. And I also hope that you all enjoyed writing alphabet A on slate as well as on salt. So, today again we will do a quick recap of the words that start with the alphabet A. Capital A, small a. A says A. A as in apple. A as in apple. A as in aeroplane. A as in aeroplane. A as in apron. A as in apron. Apron which mama is wearing in the kitchen, right? A as in ant. A as in ant. A as in ambulance. A as in ambulance. Now, A as in ankle. A as in ankle. A as in arrow. A as in arrow. A as in astronaut. A as in astronaut. Right? Let's solve the worksheet which I had given you yesterday. As I had explained you yesterday, this worksheet that we have to circle the pictures that begin with alphabet A. So can anybody tell me which pictures we will circle? Yes, an aeroplane, an apple and an ant. But why we had not circled the picture of a sun and a dog? Because they do not start with the alphabet A. So we will circle the pictures, that is an aeroplane, an apple and an ant. Come on now, we will enjoy a song related to alphabet A.
Alligator, alligator. A is for angel.
Hope you all have enjoyed the videos. Be safe and happy at home. Take care of yourself. Bye bye, kids.